Made a map with all the stars, so you know you're not too far away from me. You're in light when it's my dark. I know this distance makes it hard for us to see. I've been waiting so long, I've been waiting so long.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video is going to be some instant cleaning motivation. This is pretty quick. It's only a 10-minute video, but I hope you guys enjoy it. You guys loved my last instant cleaning motivation video, so I am so happy to provide another one. I absolutely love making these videos too. It gives me motivation to just get up and clean 10 minutes a day. I'm all about it. So today's video is nothing crazy. I am starting by folding a bunch of laundry, and then I'm moving into my living room, which was an absolute mess. We didn't clean in there for 2 days, and there were just toys everywhere. It was a hot mess. From there, I'm going to be going on to my back deck. Our back deck was completely covered in pollen. So I needed to wipe down all the tables and chairs, and then I'm going to finish in my kitchen. Again, this is not a deep clean. This is not thorough by any means. This is just kind of some quick cleaning motivation for your Friday. I have really been trying to get into the habit of giving the house a good once over on Thursday or Friday so I can enjoy the weekend and not have to do anything. So I hope this video inspires you or motivates you and gets you to get whatever you need to get done today done. So with all that being said, I'm just going to let the music play for the rest of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please consider subscribing if you are new. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family. We are going to hit 10,000 subscribers soon, and I am definitely going to be doing a big giveaway. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like it, so I know that you like it. So I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you in my next video.
Can't forget you. I'll be waiting, I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting for you.
Up in the stars. Now I know I'm not too far away from you. I want you back inside my arms. This distance got me feeling so alone. It's true.
I've been waiting so long. I've been waiting so long just to see you. I've been sleeping alone. I don't wanna let go. Can't forget you. I'll be waiting, I'll be waiting. for a place to stay for this night, even though my room is empty. My baby got me out the door tonight, our story never ending. He says that I'm the worst and it's better off alone. Still in front of me, you're standing. I'll turn and get along and say that something's wrong. We'll see he's understanding. I don't know why I was there. Gotta go far from my sphere. I can't see clear, but right there. Gotta find a way out of here. But I got the game and no one else to blame. I got all the attention. This feeling comes and goes, but you up in no more. Not even have to mention. I don't know why I was there. Gotta go far from my sphere. I can't see clear, but right then, gotta find a way out of here, out of here, Come home tonight, not anymore by your side. I don't know why I was there. Gotta go far from my sphere. I can't see clear, but right there. Gotta find a way out of here. You just have to try harder than you fight. You might be lost like sunshine in the night. You know what they say, life's about today. If you wanna be someone, you don't have to wait. You just have to change. What if I were you? Would it be to try.